lap, and we're out. Tara coming off the start line in followed by number 5, the fire service. Tara's got a bit of ground to catch up. But she's got 6 laps to do this. So to come down to the end of the first lap, the fire service has taken an early lead, followed by number 2, the Coast Guard. Not really, I'm just trying to make it feel better. And the fire service has got a come round to lap number 2. The car is really wet in the HSV now. But she is closing the gap on car number 2. So at the start of lap 3 we have number 5 the fire service, followed by the Coast Guard, and in third place is Tara, really close right now the Coast Guard. Can she take him at the start finish line? Is she going to be